Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming permission to save the restricted content. This protects you legally and ethically. Once done, install the officially supported bot or enable it in the platform where you operate, because unofficial forks can break. Next, input your API token or 2FA code so the bot can authenticate. Set a clear target folder and file name pattern. This first setup step gets credentials and storage ready, so you can execute the save command without interruptions or permission errors. You now run the bot save command, supplying the content ID and the same auth token you prepared. This tells the service what to fetch and why. While it runs, watch the progress logs for rate limit or permission errors, because handling them quickly avoids partial saves. If you have many items, use batching and exponential backoff to prevent throttling, and enable checksum verification so you know files arrived intact. This middle phase is where reliability and error handling matter most. You finish by validating each saved file. Check checksums, metadata, and timestamps to confirm completeness. Once validated, organize files into your target folders and archive originals as needed. If the bot fails or is blocked, inspect the logs for 403 or token scope errors, refresh the token, and retry. These fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, stop and contact the content owner or platform support. That ensures you remain compliant and prevents repeated access denials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.